I just remember once in my young teenage years how a friend gave me a snorkel mask, and I walked into the water and looked underneath in a really rocky reef area. And that vision's still with me today. It was just like, wow, look at what's under the water. My name's Dr. Pia Winberg. I have a PhD in marine systems ecology. I run a company now called Venus Shell Systems, and the foundation of that company was all about the sustainability of growing seaweed. So seaweed, it's a $6 billion global crop. It's actually the biggest aquaculture crop in the world. It's sold as food and there's a lot of health benefits from that, and Australia really hasn't embraced it. So our mission was twofold in this company, was to start to grow a seaweed that's uniquely Australian, and also one that's got a lot of potential for health and food benefits. It's so exciting when you actually are holding kilos or tons of seaweed and then creating these exciting nutritional components that are going to help people, and then being able to give somebody a bag as simple as a bag of corn chips, to see the impact and the interaction that our science is having with people on the street, to demonstrate the substance in what we do. The reward now is so much greater when it actually has an impact in the real world. I don't think you need to be certain about what you want to do. Just know that interests me, let's try it. And that is the most important thing you can do, because if it interests you, you'll really have a go at it and learn more about it. And the more you learn about something that interests you, it really starts to excite you in the long term. So I still wake up and am excited to look at my seaweed down the microscope. It really makes me happy.